What's happening, everyone? It's Peter here, and I want to hit you up with another money saving tip. So, here's a practical approach to saving money on fresh produce, even if you have minimal space. The Micro Garden Money Saver focuses on high yield, high cost items you regularly buy. So, start by tracking your most frequently purchased fresh herbs and greens. For example, fresh basil is $3.99 an ounce around here. That's $64 a pound. Organic mint is $3 an ounce or $48 a pound. Baby spinach is $4 for 5 ounces, which is $13 a pound. And cherry tomatoes, while not my favorite, I do eat them, are $4.99 a pint or about $10 a pound. So, what are the initial setup needs to get going? Basic LED grow light can cost you about $35. Potting soil and containers, about $25. Seeds and starter plants, $20. So your total initial investment is going to be about $80. But a single basil plant can produce half a pound of leaves over its lifetime. 4 plants could yield $127 worth of basil. Add in a few mint plants, that's $95. A rotating crop of spinach, $64 of value per season. And 2 tomato plants, that'd be $60 of value. And your initial $80 investment could yield over $300 of produce in the first year alone. The key is focusing on expensive, frequently used items that are easy to grow. And keep in mind, fresh herbs and vegetables harvested just minutes before you use them have significantly more flavor and nutrients than store-bought alternatives. So there you have it, another creative way to save money while actually improving your quality of life. Hopefully that helps you. I'll see you later.